Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. Today I'm going to show you how to draw the yellow duck, who is a character from Rainbow Friends. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, any of that stuff. Awesome. Really appreciate when you do. Okay, so to get started drawing our yellow rainbow friend, I'm going to start with the beak. So we're going to come on down here and then do a straight line and then curve to match up both those points. So we have a triangle, a sideways triangle. Now we're going to do a line going downward and then bring it back. And then we now have another little sideways triangle. Now we can do all kinds of sharp teeth. So really just more triangles. So you can do big teeth, small teeth, up to you. I'm gonna make sure I get a lot of teeth in here because the yellow rainbow friend has like 2 different layers of teeth in the mouth. So super spooky. Okay, full of teeth now. So now let's draw the shape of the face. So starting around here, I'm gonna come on up and do a rounded shape for the head. And I'm gonna do a little bit underneath here. Okay, and now we've got the shape of the head and we can do an eye. So I'm going to put a great big upside down U right there, and then we can do a oval right here. So now we can do a line here and a line here for a neck, and we can do a little bit of a chest and belly. And now we can do a wing for an arm. And on the other side as well. And now a little line coming this way for his back. And I'm going to do a little line right here, and now we can start with some feet. So I'm going to make this part, I'm going to have all kinds of little like pointed bits right here. So this is just kind of like where the bottom of the fur is now going to meet up with the legs. And we're going to do the same right here. Because this part of them is all, well, I'm saying fur, but this part of them is all feathers. And now we can do a line and another line and do a little foot. And you see how we kind of have 1, 2, 3 points. So we do a point and then a curve, another point, and then another curve, and then another point. And let's do that for this other foot. So point, curve, point, curve, point, and then bring in that line all the way back here. All right, so there we go. We're finished our drawing, and now I'm going to get started with some coloring. Alright, so we are finished drawing the yellow rainbow friend. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you have the very best day ever, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for whatever our next Daily Doodle is going to be. Alright everyone, goodbye!